Hey guys, what's up? This is a hands-on review on the new Asus ROG laptop. All new Asus ROG Strix Scar 3. As you can see from the design, it is completely changed from the last year which they had. This is a new textured glossy mesh design which is complementing with gray and black, and of course on top you can see the Asus ROG logo, which is not a normal logo, it is an RGB logo. You can light up from 16 million colors, or you can leave it like I did as a rainbow. You can just keep changing. At the back you can see there are two cooling vents. These are not the normal cooling vents, these are anti-dust cooling vents which keep the system clean. At the same time it keeps it super cool, and it has a lot of connectivity from LAN ports to HDMI 2.0, 3.1 Type C, and a charging port. On the side you can see the amazing RGB LED strip which goes all the way around from left to right of the laptop, and 3 USB Type A ports and a 3.5mm jack. Till the point we download PUBG, let's get into the specs. In processor they have Intel Core i9 9880H, a graphic card from Nvidia of RTX 2070. RAM you can upgrade up to 32GB, storage 1TB NVMe, and of course the display 240Hz 3 milliseconds response time. On the keyboard section you can see the mesh design continues from black to grey, and the keyboard is RGB. You can customize each key accordingly. All this weighs under 2.5 kgs. Can you imagine? So light, you can just take it anywhere. So this is it guys, hands-on review, a quick one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment on your thoughts about this laptop, and leave a subscribe if you want to see more reviews on this laptop in the future. Till then, this is Robo signing out for now.